How to enable color correction or turn it off, and even where you can find this feature on your Oppo or realme phone with Android 14. Whether you want to turn it on or turn it off, use the quick panel access here, tap on settings, then use the search here and type in the words color correction. You're going to type that in, color correction. Go ahead and type that. You'll see the suggestion, and that's going to take you exactly to where you need to be. Now, this won't be useful for some of you, but for those of you who've been looking for it, you can come here and turn it on, and you can switch between the different color modes. You can see that when you switch to it, your colors are going to be different, all right? See the color difference here? You also got the grayscale, black and white colors, if you've been looking for that. And you can also enable a shortcut, which you can use the floating icon or holding down of the volume keys. And also, if you accidentally turn it on with the volume keys here, maybe that's what it is. So you can just uncheck it if you don't want it. But that's basically it for this tutorial here. Of course, you can always come back here and disable the color correction.